Kaya hindi lang si Pablo ang nanghula, also Prophet Daniel prophesied for the end time church. 2,641 years ago. They have the revelation of the mystery unfolded during their time. Kaya sila magiging matitibay na Christian. Na they will become wise to understand the will of God because the mystery was unfolded. Bakit tayo ganun na lang maglingkod? Naintindihan na kasi natin na hindi na magtatagal si Kristo. Alam natin, end time church na ito. Purihin ang Panginoon. Kailan ba yung end time? Daniel 12:4. Ano ang tanda ng end time? Many shall run to and fro, and knowledge shall increase. The sign of the end time. Pag ang tao nakapaglakbay na ng paruot pa rito, ang interpretation ng mga Bible scholar dito sa to and fro travel is interplanetary travel. In the time that men can travel outer space from one planet to another, kaya interplanetary, yan na ang start ng end time. Pag ating titignan sa kasaysayan ng pag-akyat ng tao sa outer space, nagtagumpay sila noong 1969 through Apollo 11. Nangyari yung sinasabi ng Bible, the men can travel ng interplanetary.